This all-wheel drive 2011 Nissan Rogue is winter ready with snow tires installed, and it shows well in carbon silver with factory roof rails, chrome door handles, and tinted glass. Around back, the Rogue features a color-matched spoiler, a rear-mounted antenna, chrome exhaust, and splash guards. Opening the hatch reveals a large cargo area that offers plenty of room for your luggage. This stylish crossover has a clean modern look with color-matched mirrors, a chrome grille, and integrated fog lights. Inside, the cabin feels roomy and upscale with black leather upholstery with silver accent trim, along with air conditioning, power windows and locks, cruise control, a leather-wrapped wheel with tilt steering, a power moonroof, and an AM, FM, CD SAT radio audio system with navigation, Bluetooth, and a backup camera. There's seating for 3 in the back, a drop-down center console, and the 60/40 seatbacks can be folded down to transport larger items. The engine bay is clean and power comes from a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine mated to an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. If you're in the market for a versatile, all-weather crossover, call today to book your test drive or stop by for a look. We're at 1200 Leathead Road in Kelowna.